How to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Solflare Wallet 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Solflare Wallet. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your device. On the Trust Wallet home screen, scroll down a bit and select Solana as the cryptocurrency you want to send. In Currency window, tap on the Send button. Now, go back to home screen and open the Solflare Wallet app. Tap on Receive. This will display your Solflare wallet address. Tap on Copy to copy the address to your clipboard. Go back to the Trust Wallet app. Paste the copied Solflare wallet address into the address or domain name field. Next, enter the amount of Solana you wish to transfer. Enter a memo if desired, but it's not usually required. Review the transfer details carefully. Trust Wallet will display the transaction fees. If you agree with the fees, tap Confirm. Trust Wallet will process the transaction. You'll see a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. Open the Solflare Wallet app. Refresh your wallet balance. You should now see the transferred Solana reflected in your Solflare wallet balance. And that's how you transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Solflare Wallet. Ensure to always double-check the recipient address before confirming any cryptocurrency transaction to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency and finance tips. Thanks for watching.